Edgewood, and Central Welding in the 19K, Kayla Pittman. Heat races. They are coming out of turn number 4. She is the official leader of lap number 1. Thomas Laxon now setting in second spot. Seth Cooper in third. As the field single file from front to back. Pittman leading the way out of 4. Still in this one. Now Laxon got right up onto the rear bumper of Pittman. And Laxon trying to get to the inside of Kayla as they come off of turn number 4 side by side. Your new leader, Thomas Laxon. Pittman settles back into that second spot. Seth Cooper now up into third, and then Ron Grosvenor is moving forward as well in the 27. And now Thomas Laxon separating from the field. Seth Cooper. A little bit of a door open on the bottom of Kayla Pittman. See if Seth Cooper is going to try to jump on that. Pittman loose as she came off of turn number 2. White flag comes out on Thomas Laxon. Your winner, Thomas Laxon, followed by Kayla Pittman and Seth Cooper. And then Ron Grosvenor and Robert Quarterman round. And we'll go into intermission after this, which time, folks, you'll have a chance to get up here to the concession stands, grab yourself a bite to eat, or a hot or cold beverage. And we'll also be giving away some prizes. We are underway. Miller and Graff on the front row. Outside lane really starting to move. Scott Graff and Dawson Lohner making a move on the outside, and they're going to bring Wayne Dillon there. 3 wide going into turn number 1. Lohner on the outside, Miller in the middle. Lohner gets shuffled all the way to the max. He could not get it to stick that high up through 1 and 2. Miller goes all the way to the back now. Scott Graff is your leader into turn 3. And Scott Bodo and John Grosvenor. Wayne Dillon trying to go by. Oh, way up high, Grosvenor hanging on. 3 wide again as they come off of turn number 4. Wayne Dillon, the new track record holder, flying by on the bottom. Set a new track record for the Super 4s during qualifying. And he's got about 2.5 laps to reel in Scott Graff. Wayne Dillon knew it in practice earlier today. He said he had that 5 turning as good as it has turned all year long. And now Wayne Dillon has caught the leader as they come off of 4. White flag flies. Scott Graff and Wayne Dillon. As they make it to the backstretch, Dillon to the inside of Graff. As they go off into turn number 3, and Dillon just right on the bottom. Off of 4, your winner, Wayne Dillon, followed by Scott Graff. Then it was Dawson Lohner, John Grosvenor, and then